Okay, today we're going to work on 6.3 for random numbers of code.org. So this one, we're basically just adding another random number. So we did this in the previous activity where we added a random number for this sun that is moving along the x-axis. Well, now what we're going to do is actually add in one for the y-coordinate. So it says make the ellipse appear at random y-coordinates. Drag out a random number block to the y parameter. So if we run it right now, it's staying along the y axis. Okay, so it's just staying at this point of the y at 200. What we want to do now is we want to actually, instead of having this be 200, we want to put a random number in there and have it be able to go up and down as well. So the way to do that, you just go to Math. We're going to drag random number in there. And you can do that for any of these, but we're just going to focus on the y coordinates right now. And so what they want to be able to do is, if you notice here, it says drag out the random block to the ellipse's y parameter. Update the parameters of the random number block to match the height of the screen. So we know from our grid here that it starts at 0, 0 and goes to 400, 400. So just like what we did with the x, we're going to do this as well and do 0 and then 400. Okay, so now when we run this, it will just show up randomly anywhere along the screen. Okay, not just along one axis. Okay, hopefully that helps you with this, and good luck with your coding.